Smritivan, the world's largest Miyawaki forest, built in honor of those who lost their lives in the 2001 Gujarat earthquake. This forest transforms memory into renewal. A vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Smritivan, developed by GSDMA and the State Government of Gujarat, is a monumental step toward ecological restoration. Using the Miyawaki forest technique, pioneered in India by Dr. R.K. Nair, the green hero of India. This method enables trees to grow 10 times faster, creating a thriving forest. Spanning 470 acres, Smritivan acts as the lungs of Bhuj, enhancing biodiversity, reducing pollution, and mitigating climate change. Complementing the forest, 50 check dams conserve water while carrying the names of earthquake victims. Engraved in stone, honored forever. Recognized globally, Smritivan stands as a testament to resilience, remembrance, and a greener tomorrow, just as Prime Minister Modi envisioned. A tribute to human courage and the power of renewal.